How to change country on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can change country on Spotify. So firstly, open your Spotify application and tap on the option of Premium at the bottom right corner. Here, click on Get Premium option again and you will be directed to a new homepage. Here below the payment options, you can see the option of Change Country. Click on it. Now here you can see the list of nations where you can listen to Spotify. So to change the country, just click on the country as your wish. So for example, I want to choose my country as Switzerland. Now I'm just gonna search for it and click on it. But before changing your country, just remember to consider that the pricing and payment option will change once you choose your country. As you can see, after I changed my country, the pricing, payment method, everything is changed and set up according to the country's currency. Now you can listen to the selected country's popular songs and podcasts on Spotify. So there you have it. I hope you understood how you can change country on Spotify. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.